Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to delete Google Maps search history. First of all, you can open the Google Maps. I can already open the maps. After opening the maps, you can see the profile picture at the top right corner of the screen. Just simply tap on it. After tapping on it, you can just simply go to the settings, and here you can scroll down, and here you can see the option maps history in the account settings section. Tap on it. After the page is loading, you can see this type of interface. You can just simply scroll down, and now you can verify that is your account, and after verifying you can just simply delete the history, and it is a way you can delete Google Maps search history. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes a browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.